All right, John McCarty here with Odyssey Test Prep. Today we're looking at correlation as our word of the day. So this one, you got to know the definition. Correlation is super important. And if you've done any LSAT studying so far, you will know that correlation does not establish causality. Super important. So a correlation is when two or more things vary together. They move together in the same direction. When one goes up, the other goes up. One goes down, the other goes down. Looks like there may be a relationship between these two things because, man, they're just moving together so much. Maybe there is causality, but it never establishes causality. It can be used to support causality. It will never prove it, but it can support it. So if you get a strengthen question where you're trying to strengthen a causal conclusion, strengthening the correlation can help, but it's not sufficient to make that conclusion 100% airtight. What they'll usually do is they will make an argument where they say, hey, there's this correlation between these two variables, and they'll conclude causality, right? So they may, come up with traveling on airplanes is correlated with illness, right? We could say that. And maybe there's causality there, maybe there's not. But we've noticed people who travel on airplanes tend to get sicker more than people who don't. And then they may conclude, they could conclude that being sick causes you to travel on airplanes. Like their conclusion could be, yeah, these people are probably going to travel to go see doctors in other areas because, these two things are correlated. They could say traveling on airplanes causes you to get ill. That could be another conclusion, but neither one of those two things are supported by the correlation alone. So don't let them ever try to establish causality from a simple correlation. Correlation is just when two things move together.